Hello guys, welcome back. So as we already completed our first challenge, let's take up our second challenge now, which is create a configurable bundle with options and features. So once if you launch your playground, let's click on this app launcher followed by Salesforce CPQ. So here just click on products. So in recently viewed, change this to all products. So in search, give it as home and click on enter. So that you will get home security console, just click on it and go to related tab. So here you will find option, next to option click on new. So guys, here an optional SKU, search for door. You will get door sensor, click on it, and for number give it as 10. And now click on required checkbox. So for quantity we are going to give it as 1. So once if it is done, click on save and again click on new next to option. So guys, if you see, you will find this tabular column over here. We are going to complete all of these tabular column. So I'm just going to do one after another, starting from window sensor. So just copy this and paste it over here. So you will get from result, you need to click from here. So for number give it as 20 and select this selected checkbox. So once if it is done, give quantity as 1 as mentioned in our challenge. So in the same way we are gonna do it for each and every option. So again click on new and now motion sensor, copy this and paste it over here. Choose from the list and give number as 30 and quantity as 1 followed by save and new. So now give exterior and choose exterior camera and for number choose 40 and check the selected. For quantity choose 1, again click on save and new and now type door, choose doorbell camera over here and for number give it as 50 and select the selected checkbox and now give quantity as 1, click on save and new and now give interior camera and for number give it as 60 and give quantity as 1 and followed by save and new. And now it's home security monitoring, choose it and for number give it as 7070 and click this required checkbox and now give quantity as 1 followed by save and new and now type as home, choose home security installation followed by number as 80 and click on selected as well as required, give quantity as 1. So just uncheck this required, so it is not given and now click on save and new. So guys, now search for DETERR, you will get deterrent window decal and now choose number as 90, choose the selected. For quantity give it as 2 and check this quantity editable. So once if it is done, click on save. So guys, now I'm just going to click on view all. So we have made a mistake right over here. So for quantity, for first 5 data it is not mentioned. So just click on drop down followed by edit. So here I'm just going to remove quantity for first 5. So just remove quantity followed by save. So do this for next 4 component as well. So here, except last three, I have removed quantity for all of these components. So once if it is done, click on back. Close this and again click on back. So here next to features, click on new. Let's copy your name. So which is given right over here as sensors. Just copy this and paste it over here. And here for number, we are just going to give it as 10. So once if it is done, give minimum options as 0 and click on save and new. Let's copy your next field label as well, which is cameras. Copy this and paste it over here. And here give number as 20 and for minimum option 0. And again click on save and new. So before that, let me check it once. So for minimum option, they have given it as 1. So leave it as 1. And now click on save and new. Let's copy your next feature name, which is given right over here. Paste it and give number as 30 and give minimum option as 0. So once if it is done, click on save. So guys, now if you scroll down, you will find this option called door sensor. Just click on the drop down and followed by edit. So here under configure SKU, we are gonna add feature called sensor. Just type it, you will find this. So once if it is done, click on save. So in the same way, we are going to edit Windows sensor as well. So all of these sensor, we are just gonna change the feature. So give it as sensor. Click on save. So table is given right over here. We are gonna change accordingly. Now let's go to our motion sensor. Click on edit. And in feature type sensor. So once if you get the result, click on it followed by save. Let's scroll down to exterior camera. Click on edit. So in feature, give it as camera and choose it from here and click on save and scroll down. Let's give it for doorbell camera as well. Click on edit. For feature, give camera and choose cameras followed by save. Let's give it for interior camera now and features, and it should be camera. So click on the result and followed by save. And now let's do it for home security monitoring. Click on drop down followed by edit. So for feature, we are just going to give service. So type service and choose it followed by save and do it for home security installation as well. Click on drop down followed by edit. So give service followed by save. And now click on products again followed by home security console. So now we are just going to click on this edit, which is on right side. Just click on edit. And if you scroll down for configuration type, we are going to give allowed. For configuration event, we are going to give always. So once if it is done, click on save. So guys, now let's click on accounts tab. So here we are just going to copy this Fernando Estate and search it over here. So click on recently viewed and go to all accounts. So now search in this list followed by enter. So once if you get the result, just click on it and now go to related tab. So here if you scroll down, in codes you will find queue of 9. Just click on it. and choose edit lines right over here. And now I'm just going to click on add products. Instead of clicking on drop down, you can directly click on add products. So here in search product, I'm just going to search for home. Here we are going to choose home security console, which is right over here, followed by select. And guys, now click on save, followed by save again. So yeah guys, that is all about this challenge. Let's go back and scroll down and click on verify step. So guys, if you are getting this error while checking, let's go to our products, click on product tab, followed by home security console, followed by related list. So here you will find door sensor under option, so just click on edit, and here I'm just going to give quantity as 1 and minimum quantity as well as 1. Now click on save. Let's try this now. Click on verify step. So yeah guys, it should pass. So we have successfully completed our second challenge as well. So remaining challenges will be available in the same playlist. Do check that. See you all on next video. Until then, bye bye.